A number of things informed us about the implementation of this project. But one of the key ones is that with the problem of malaria, okay, although the existing ways of controlling malaria have done quite a great job, but they are facing several challenges. One of the challenges is that mosquitoes are developing resistance. That's one. But also, some of these measures are too costly than the ordinary community members can afford. That's two. But also, there has been resilience from the community members in using some of these control measures. So with all that, the problem is still big, and we would like to control this particular problem. So something that we need to do here is actually to adapt something else to complement the existing methods so that we further the control of the disease and probably eliminate, because this is the global wish that we should try as much as we can to eliminate malaria. So that's why we came up with this particular technology to see how it could complement the existing measures. And this is key really, that we are saying we are coming up with a technology that would complement what is existing. Eaves tubes is a new technology that we are trying to develop in respect of controlling malaria mosquitoes. And this is a technology that we developed in the past 4 or 5 years. Basically, we are trying to target mosquitoes as they go into the house. We know majority of mosquitoes get into the house through the opening between the roof and the wall, an area we refer to as eave. So we thought if we target mosquitoes as they enter through this particular opening, then we might be able to target majority of them. And that's why the eaves tubes are actually placed at the eave area, whereby mosquitoes would be attracted by the smell of human beings who are sleeping inside the house that would go through the tubes. So when mosquitoes are attracted to the tubes, they basically enter the tube, but they cannot go into the inside because there is a netting that obstructs them from getting in. But that particular netting is also having insecticide, which would kill mosquitoes when they contact the insecticide. But with this particular technology, we are able to apply insecticide in a powder form, something that has shown effectiveness even against mosquitoes that are resistant to the insecticide. But secondly, with this particular method, we have found also that we are using very little amount of insecticide compared to the measures that were being used. The other thing is that with the eaves tubes, you are able to use any kind of insecticide using the highest recommended dose of the particular insecticide, something that you cannot do with the bed net, something that we cannot do with the indoor residual spraying, because with these two measures, the human occupants are very close, they can easily contact. But if you look at the tubes, they are somewhere over there, so you have such advantage of using different insecticides in the highest recommended dose.
I am the change.